Hi guys, welcome to my channel. What I'll do on this channel will be like simple steps. I'll start from zero knowledge to getting better and better and better, but we'll see what's happening in the future. I will post videos about mathematics, 3D modelings, animation and programming. Why you ask me what I will do this one? I'll do this one because I need to know like a lot of information to make only one single game. And if a lot of people can do it, I can do it myself as well. And now I will install a package like for 3D modeling. Blender is called, it's free, open source, and I'll make a layout setup for myself. And I will start some features that I could use it and make my job easier. Let's start do this one. Yeah, open Chrome. I'll search for Blender 3D. We'll open the page. And here you see, like I told you, source 3D creation, free to use. That's nice. And I'll download Blender. Yeah, I'll use the last one, last version. Yep, download here. And let's see. Yeah, it's starting. It's like 8 million. Yeah, 6 minutes left. I'll stop the video and I'll come back after. I think my download is finished already. I'll come back. I'll show in the folder. Yeah, I'll open like this one. I'll install it. Next, accept. See, you can change the location. Next, but I would prefer to be in program files. Next, and install. I don't know this anymore. I'll close this one. I'll wait here. Okay, press yes. It'll take a while, depending on your computer configuration. Yeah, now the Blender it's already installed. I will press the finish button. I'll open the application. It's here. If you have Windows 10, open Blender. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's nice. It's looking nice. Like I know it. Okay, I'll double it. General. I'll not use nothing here. I'll select like that, and I'll make some layout. I need animation, modeling, layout. Yeah, I think I done the layout. Yeah, I done the layout because last time when I install it again. I'll reset the settings, default, load factory settings, and you'll see. I think that's will start the Blender will start like that. I'll delete what I don't need. Delete. Shading, light, animation, keep it. Sculpting, I'll delete. Rendering, I'll delete. Composing, I'll maybe later. Delete, delete. Layout, modeling, animation. Okay, I'll use this one. I'll go on File, Edit, Preference, and on my system, like undo steps, like Control Z. I'll change the undo steps to full 256. Okay, I'll choose CUDA. That's a GeForce GTX 1050. And after that, I'll go back to K-map. I like to use the binding for Blender 27. Much easier for me. Animation, I'll choose only insert needed. Okay. I'll look like that. Temps will look like that. Interface will look like that. And I will save preference. I like to have a nice clean file when I open the Blender. Okay, nothing there. I like to use nice layout. I like to use some when I go to edit and preference, you have like add-ons. I'll use F2. I'll explain that later in the videos what's meaning. extra board, add add some mesh, extra mesh, and also extra object tree. That will be like for making a simple tree fast. And if something here, animation all. I'll explain about this later. And that's me here. Okay, save preference. Yeah, I forgot something important. Loop tools. You have more loop tools and loop cut. No, cut loop. Let's see. Yeah, loop tools is alright. That's I need it. And that's me. Save preference. I would like to model layout like that. Check user perspective. Gizmo. Subdivision floor text extra. I choose the matcap. Animation like that. That's a nice layout. Modeling. I don't need this one. I'll delete it. And I will slide that. And then we'll account modeling. That's me. Also, I need to remove this one. Like that. Now I'll press don't save cancel. I'll press cancel. A feature that I use I like it. When I need to change the shading, I'll use matcaps, and after that I'll use this one. Yeah, this one. And then I'll write random colors. I'll use shadow. You need to check the shadow back. Was checked before for that's why. Also check depth of field, and that's me. You know, I use this because when you have like a new object, when you create more and more object when you need it, they will change the color, and that's why I like it. Okay, let's delete. And an important feature is collection, or I like to prefer like layers. Also, I forgot you need to put like default save startup file. When you load new general, they will be don't save or no save. They will store my layout configuration and this one on the computer. Also, much important, a very important feature I forgot to add it will be when I go to the edit preference, and I will check for collection. Interface collection manager. Check this one and those save preference. And here I have like collection where I'll save my work. Like here I can put a cube here. If I press M, you can create layers. I think there's like layers. You have now, they change it in collection now. But I think it's like work like a layer. Add collection, add collection, add collection. And if you press escape, you can go here, you can go here, here. For example, I'll add the cube here. And from now on, I don't want the cube is in the first collection. If you check here. And if I go in the second one, I can add a new circle here. And I could move the collection. That's the first first layer where I have an object, and this is the second layer, like layer collection. Okay, that's me.